Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jihan. Today we will be making homemade potato chips which taste like the ones from the store. For this recipe you will need 3 potatoes, salt, spices of your choice and oil for deep frying. Step 1. Peel the potatoes, wash the potatoes and start slicing them. This is how thin it should be. Step 2. Add the salt. Then on the other side, take a pan, put oil on it and start deep frying the potatoes. Keep cooking until it's golden. Now take a plate, put some paper towels on it and start taking out the chips. Now get some spices of your choice and put it on the chips. I use Nando's peri peri silver. You can use any spices you want. Enjoy your chips! I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. See you all next time. Bye!